beautiful, honey.
I'm beautiful. Thank you so much.
Beautiful, honey.
I'm beautiful. Thank you so much. Oh, what is this? Association for Deaf and Mute. That's good. Okay, I signed. Oh, what is this? Association for Deaf and Mute. That's good. Okay, I signed.
Another day, another POV tourist warning, Paris scam alert.
Yeah.
A fake charity worker in Paris was caught running the classic scam where they pretend to collect donations for deaf and mute children. When a tourist offered some coins, she refused the donation and demanded more money.
Yeah.
A huge red flag.
50 cents.
Real charities don't reject donations. Scammers do.
50 cents is
This so-called charity is a ghost organization. No real cause, no real children, just scam signatures. They write themselves. If someone approaches you with a clipboard asking for donations, stay alert, walk away, and protect your money. Once again, a group of fake charity scammers in Paris were exposed again. This time, running their unusual trick, pretending to collect donations for deaf and mute children. When a tourist offered a few coins, the scammers proving exactly what it was. When a tourist offered a few coins, the scammer refused the money and demand more cash, proving exactly what it was. A complete scam, not a real charity. The tourist stood his ground, already aware that the so-called organization was nothing but a ghost charity, not a real cause,
50 cents. I put.
nor real children, and definitely no real help.
50 cents.
Another scam, another shutdown. Attenzione scammer, attenzione scammer, attenzione scammer, attenzione scammer.